Hey, it's ClayTrader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NETE. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, just maps out kind of what I want to talk about, quite straightforward. So, hey, Clay, what do you think about the action today? Before I say this, my disclaimer is I am commenting on the price action alone. I don't know anything about this company. So just the price action alone. But this was a flat-out pump and dump. Now, again, I'm not saying that the company's run out of somebody's basement over in Somalia. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, judging on the price action, this was a flat-out pump and dump. That's how I would describe this chart. What is a pump and dump? Well, my definition is a price makes an awesome move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started or lower. So let's apply that definition to this. The price makes an awesome move. I would say that the first 30 minutes here, this was quite the awesome move. A gap up, and it ran all the way up here. Assuming this is not a fat finger trade, but heck, let's say that it actually went up as high as that. So awesome move, yeah, definitely that happened today. But then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back down to where it all started. So where did all this start? Well, it all started, before this move, it was, down in that area right there. So, and I would say that within the same day, the price going and pulling back, you can see right where it ended up, right back in that green box. So that is, the definition to a T. Price makes great move up. And then within short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started, and sometimes lower. And in this case, price right back to where it all started. Now, this is not to say that something new can't start. So another way to look at this was, pump and dump, but now back to the drawing board, because there's no such thing as, well, the bulls can never, ever make an upwards move again. Sure, the bear is totally hammering it back down, but if the price can start to get some sideways action and then start to head back up, well, then, yeah, maybe there's a new exciting move around the corner. But as it stands right now, at this moment in time, the chart was a total pump and dump, and it's right back to the drawing board for the bulls. If they want to start something new, well, they literally got to start right from where it all started, and actually slightly less because it closed right there before it all started, and now it's down there. So starting a little bit less than where it was, but this one has shown that it can move. Whether or not it moves anytime soon, that remains to be seen. But yeah, pump and dump is the easiest way to kind of summarize this chart. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.